Okay guys, today we will see about read and write from a file in C++. So in the series of learning C++, let's learn about file. So in this program or in this tutorial, we will see about file input and output in C++. We will deal about writing data or adding a data into a file or creating a file and of course reading a file and writing a file. Everything we will do in this video. So first of all, you should know about some of the very useful classes for working with C++. Okay, here I have wrote C++, okay, C++, and here this is if stream, right? Here you can see if stream. This file has the capabilities of both off stream and I stream or if stream. Which means can create a files, write into a files and read information from a files. Okay, we will do the both things, input and output, from the if stream. So this consists of both input and output functions, or let's say stream, file stream. In if stream, input file stream is used to read the data from a file. Okay, there is a small file where there are lots of data, right? So to read that data we will use if stream. And in OF stream, output file stream is used to create a file and write data to a file. Okay, so if you know about this concept, then you can easily write a program to create a file or read a file, read a data from file, or append data to a file. Everything about the file you can do easily. Okay, so now let's get started. So if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. So now read from a file or to a file. Okay, we will have one file already created in our device. Okay, then we will read the data from it. For example, there's a small file named as sample.txt, and where there is something written like hello everyone, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So we will read that data from a file, or we will write this data to a file. So these two programs we will mainly discuss about today. Okay, so now here create a file and also can write data into a file. As I have said, out function is used to create a file. Also we can write the data to a file. So here we have a sample.txt. We have to create a sample.txt which is blank, completely blank. So first of all, we will write a program, hashtag include iostream. This is the header file. Here to use the file system or to use the syntax of file, we have to initialize fstream as well, and we will use using namespace std and main function started, right? So here fstream my life, my file, fstream my file. So this is the object, my file is the object of main function or fstream class. In while declaring fstream, there is already a class is built. Okay, so in that class we are making my file as an object. Okay, then we are trying to open sample.txt ios out. This means creating a file. This is the syntax to create a file which will be named as sample.txt. So after that I am checking the condition. If my file is not found, then cout file not created, or if that doesn't exist, in this upper line here we have already created a sample.txt file and we are checking whether that is created or not. And if that comes true, if my file is not there, then file is not created, else the file is created. So this is the simple program to create a simple file. Okay, so after that return 0 and the program is closed. So we will do at last as well. Okay, we'll run this program at last as well, so stay tuned. Okay, now read from a file. Now we have a sample.txt already created. Now we want to read the data from that. Now again we have to initialize the things like this, and main function started. Again in fstream we made an object and we made it my file open sample.txt ios in. In order to create the file, we had wrote ios double dot and we have write out, right? Out to create or to write the data into it, and in means we have to read that data inside the file. The file sample.txt already exists in the computer, and we are trying to access the data from the sample.txt. Now again, now we are checking whether that file does exist or not. Okay, so if that is not exist, then no such file, and if that exists, then we will start further program. Okay, now ch this means character ch. We are initializing one variable, that is ch, okay, which will hold the character value, and we are making the condition while one my file ch if my file.eof. What I'm trying to say is the file may have different lines of data, and when we try to access the data from that file, then only the first word will be retrieved into a system, or it will be called, or it will be printed, but we have to read all the data from a file. Then in that case we have to make a loop to the end of file. Now this EOF means end of file. Okay, this EOF means end of file, and when the program reached to end of file, now when the data started analyzing, then it reached to the end of file, and after that the program will break, and after that we will see out cs, that means we will print the character what is inside it, and finally we close the file. Now this is the way of reading the whole data of the file which is already created in the computer system. So this is much for read from a file. Okay, so now as you know, here you can see, hello everyone, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Now this was inside sample.txt. now we are able to read this line. Okay, so after that, now another write to a file. Now we have not write anything to a file till now. We have created a file, we have read the data from file. Now what we are trying to do is we want to write something or write a data into a file. Now here we have initialized the header file and using namespace std and main classes start. Okay, now here we made a variable string which will hold the data that we want to enter to a file. Now for example, hello everyone, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and of out again we are using out function or out keyword to write into a file. Now there is a file named as sample.txt where we want to write hello everyone, don't forget to subscribe. So of stream out. Okay, this is the process of writing into a data, writing into a file anything that you want. So out st means we are writing through this syntax, and we will return the program. Now sample.txt, then this value is created. So now code to create a file and write a data to it. Now both at the same time, how we can do? We will create a file at the same time, and we will start writing something into that file. Now what we do is we again initialize fstream my file, this is an object, dot open my file dot txt. Now here you see, in this object what we are trying to do is open my file dot txt ios out. This means creating a file. We have created my file dot txt, and if my file is not there, then file is not created, and else the file was created successfully, and we will now my file hello all, please subscribe. Now again what we did is we start writing to that object, using that object to a file, and finally file is closed, and we did this. So we will compile this all programs that we have discussed. So this is a small presentation, so let's get down program. Okay. Okay, first of all what we will do is hashtag include iostream, and this what we will do is we will write using name space c space std, and after that int main, and we will start writing a program. So here what we will do is fstream, fstream. So here we will write fstream, and we will create an object. Okay, let's write an object name obj. Okay, and what we will do is we will try to open obj dot what we will do, open, right, open, and we will inside we will write a file name, that is sample sample.txt. But so after that what we will do is we will do a comma and we will write iOS double colon like this, and what we will do is we will write out, right? Okay. So this is the process of creating a file. Up to now we have already created the sample.txt. Okay, so this is actually what I'm trying to do, is creating a file. Now as we know, we have already watched the slides, we will write something into a file also from this same program, so that we don't have to copy this same program again. So after that we will check if obj, okay, if obj is available, what we will do is see out what we will do, the file is not created. Okay, so after that else what we will do is else see out what we will do is the file is created. So this is the things that we will do. So we will write something into a file from here, that is obj. We want to write hello guys, how are you, okay. So I just wrote this. Now the program is finished. So what we will do is we will return the program and return 0 and finish the program, execute, compile and run, and this should be run. The file is created. Oh my god, yeah. So now let's see where is the file created. Okay, so we have not given the path, so I don't know where the file goes. So let me go to the system and I will search sample.txt, sample.txt. So this is the file. Hello guys, how are you? Now this is the process. Now let me see the location, okay, where it is where it is exists. So this PC desktop C++, it is in the desktop file, or you can give the path in place of sample.txt. You can give the path as well, so where you want to create a file. So this is the process of creating a file and writing it, the data into it. Okay, so now we will try to read the sample.txt, hello guys, how are you, from the C++ program. Okay, so here we will write another program. Okay, so this is successfully created. Now let's remove this and we will write another program. Okay, now we will write a program to read the data from a file. Okay, so first of all we will write hashtag include iostream. Okay, so after that iostream, and we will again write another shall include it's what fstream, right? stream fstream, and now we are ready to go using okay, name as psc namespace std, and now int and then main, and now finally now we are ready to write the program. Okay, so now we will create an object for a file. So fs stream obj. Okay, so now here we create an object for a file. So now we will use that object to open the file. Okay, open, and after that what we will do is we will write a name of file, that is sample, that we have created before, sample sample.txt. Now it will source that program, okay, and comma, and what we will do is iOS colon. If you don't know about this syntax, then I have uploaded the videos that is related to file already, so don't forget to check out that also, and don't forget to subscribe. That video will be given down in the description as well, so you can check it out. If that is not uploaded, I will recheck it, and if that is not uploaded, then I will definitely upload about it. So please make the notification icon on. Okay, so now iOS. Now what I will do is I will read. Okay, so that means I will open this file in folder. Okay, now we have opened this file to read mode. Okay, so now what we will do, again we will check the condition. Okay, this is the logical things. So if this sample.txt or object obj is not found, then what we have to do, the file doesn't exist. Okay, cout yeah, the is found, and we will do that. Okay, see, I have created a variable named ch. Now we will send this ch variable to the file to found or to search or to read the data from a file. Okay, so now I will make a while loop or while condition while it's 1. Okay, sorry. Okay, while 1. Okay, what we will do when the, what is this? What we will do is we will send this variable to the file, that is ch variable, and now we are ready to write. If this if obj dot eof, this means what? End of file, right? So it will go up to end of file, and if that is found, then it will break the operation and we will cout. Okay, here we go, break the operation, then we will write cout ch. Okay, so after that we will return the program, and the program is finished. Now let's compile it. Let's see how many errors. So hello guys, how are you? It is already located and it's here. So this is the process of writing a file and reading a file and creating a file. So in our upcoming videos, we will try to append the data into an existing file where there are lots of data. We will discuss about pointers to locate the put and get functions in our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If I have said anything wrong, then please try to figure it out in the comment section. Please don't forget to comment if that is wrong or anything is what I said. Please don't forget to comment out at first. So that's all for today. Thank you.